Welcome to the Windows and Computer channel, and this is just to announce that we have a new build once again of Windows 10 19H1. That's the April 2019 update. Once again, the last build was Friday. Last week we had two builds, and we might have two builds again this week. So the first one for the week, we are Tuesday, March the 12th today. And 18356 has just been released for insiders just a few minutes ago. And of course, I am installing it now. I am, of course, going to review it today, later in the day when all of it is installed and I've tested it for a few hours to make sure it's a stable build. And the increased build frequency, of course, showing us that we're getting closer and closer to what will eventually be the insider the April 2019 update in about a month's time from now. So we're getting closer. Don't expect to have new features in here, but we will be talking about some of the new stuff inside the insider previews, and hopefully you'll enjoy our videos, of course. So if you're an insider in the fast ring, just head on to your machine. If you're in the slow ring, just a quick note that 18351 was released for slow ring yesterday. So second build of 19H1 for slow ring. Thank God it's now going a little better for the slow ring that didn't have builds for such a long time. And all of that, of course, we'll talk about later today in our videos. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up, and thank you for watching.